Ano ang sabi? Now on its new facelifted model for this year and beyond, and with a new feature that makes it so much more desirable to own. Well, ito po ang 2024 Isuzu D-Max. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Pag pinag-usapan ng brand ng Isuzu, ang naiisip ko agad ng mga salita, torque, durability, toughness you can rely on, yung talagang workhorse. Alang arte na sasakyan na araw-araw na talagang maaasahan mo sa laban. Yung alam mo reliable yung partner mo sa hamon ng buhay araw-araw, lalo na kung negosyante ka. But alam naman natin that times are changing and cars nowadays are ever becoming more expensive. And of course, as customers, you are looking for more that a vehicle can offer. Well, on this aspect, alam naman natin you're looking for a mix of like the design, driving pleasure, features, and amenities. Yung hahanap ka talaga ng sasakyan na maibibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo, yung mga nabanggit ko na yan. That's why it is important to do your due diligence before making that major purchase. Sa usapang pickup trucks, gone are the days that you will see them as just utilitarian vehicles like in the 80s and 90s. Ngayon, hindi na sila ganon. It has become a lifestyle vehicle. A vehicle that I feel with that term demands more from car companies, kaya talaga ala silang ginawa kundi improve ang mga kaya nilang i-offer on this segment. Talaga naman dapat lang kasi probably this is the most competitive segment in the car industry right now. Well, kasi naman you're dealing with heavyweights like andyan yung Hilux ni Toyota, talaga naman champion pickup truck din yan, ang maangas na Ford Ranger at ang bagong kalalabas lang na malupit na Triton ni Mitsubishi. At syempre may ilan-ilan pang ibang brands na meron ding offering sa segment na to na pag nakita mo ng malapitan, mai-impress ka din. But then with the D-Max, it is plainly speaking I can say na pinakamalupit siya in terms of like power alone. Well, because the engine it has, this is the 3-liter 4JJ3 TCX Blue power diesel engine. Maximum power is 190 PSI and 450 Newton meters of torque. Alam naman natin pag kinonvert mo po yan, napakaraming horsepower po niyan. Between all the pickup trucks out there in the market, this has the biggest engine. At sa akin naman po, agree po ako dito na isa-isang pickup truck, lalo na sa mga enthusiasts sa mga pickup trucks, they talk about the engine right away. Masarap kasing isipin na yung pickup truck mo has a very capable engine. Kahit ano pang bigat ang ikakarga mo, kahit anong ahunan pa yan, or whatever the challenge may be, alam nila na yung makina, yung power na kayang i-deliver, hindi sila mabibitin. When they need it, it's there, right there, at their disposal. For me, this is one of the major talking points in purchasing a pickup truck. Maraming features, amenities na meron in the package that a pickup truck offers, but for me, this is probably the most major thing that you need to always see and talk about. And consider, it is a diesel engine from Isuzu. You can bet whatever you want, you will not ever question the reliability and durability of their engine. Pero sa usapang facelifted model, ito nga po isang facelifted model, andun pa din yung somewhat, para sa akin pag tinignan ko siya, a little resemblance yung dati niyang model or dati niyang look. Tingin ko nga talaga para siyang facelifted model as in literal, kasi yung double blade na design sa gitna ng front grille is for this one, inangat nila this time. Well, ang nangyari po dyan, mas naging muscular ang look ng bagong D-Max. But then the main headline sa bagong D-Max this time, meron na po siyang rear differential lock. Well, maitatanong nyo, what's the fuss about the diff lock? Bakit sobrang big deal? Talaga naman pong big deal siya. Kasi po malaki po ang naibibigay niyang value sa isang pickup truck. Makikita nyo naman po sa disparity ng presyo ng 4x2 at 4x4 na may rear diff lock. Well, ako po hindi naman expert but I know a little bit about how a rear differential lock works. Basically, it's all about traction. Kasi pag standard paved roads, wala namang problema. You won't need a 4-wheel drive for that. Pero pag kailangan nyo na po ng improved traction sa different road conditions, medyo madulas na po, off-road, o may situation na yung isang gulong po ay dumudulas dahil sa putik o uneven yung terrain. Ang nangyayari pag meron pong rear differential lock, para ma-prevent yung scenario na yung pickup o yung sasakyan ay hindi na makakaahon na makakausad kung saan po siya nahinto. At pag uneven po yung daan o madulas, yun nga po, evenly nadidistribute po niya yung power sa lahat ng gulong para maayos po kayo nakakadaan sa ganyang mga rough terrain. Mabato, buhangin, kayang-kaya po niya yan. Kahit po sa paahon o pababa na mga slope, equally po na ibibigay niyo yung tamang proportion for braking. Sinisigurado po niya yung rear wheels. Andun po yung saktong traction na kailangan niya para hindi kayo mahirapan i-drive ang isang sasakyan. Talagang nape-prevent po niya wheel spin, talagang andun po yung capability ng sasakyan to move forward. Kaya po pag inisip nyo itong 4x4 feature na may rear diff lock sa mga pickup, napaka-crucial feature po nito. Lalo na po sa mga off-road enthusiasts, ito po yung hinahanap nila. Kasi nga po, binibigay niya yung capability ng pickup truck na matackle yung tough terrains. Talagang effective po sila dyan. Ala silang worry para sa outdoor adventure na gagawin nila. Kasi po pag serious off-roading ang usapan at saka mga weather conditions na hindi kaaya-aya, talaga ma-appreciate nyo po na merong ganitong feature ang inyong pickup truck. Sa pagsilip ko po dito sa loob, I can say that as far as the interior, the look, all looks nice. The leather, the space, aircon vents at the back, USB charging ports, yung infotainment system na may Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the feel on the hands pag hinahawakan po itong steering wheel, yung wide look nung kanyang hood, tsaka yung talagang visibility mo, wala ka talaga masabi. Talagang mararamdaman mo na you are inside a mighty pickup truck. Kahit po dito sa dashboard na yan, but with the stitching design na nilagay, it feels premium. Talaga namang hats off po tayo dito. This is Isuzu and looking at this, it looks premium. Really impressive. Size 18 po ang wheels, bago po ang design ng front grille, pati din po sa likod yung kanyang parang wing design ng kanyang taillights. Hydraulic po ang kanyang steering wheel, which I always prefer sa usapang pickup truck. Well, this is a pickup truck. It's not a sedan. So you want something na parang pakiramdam mo nandun pa rin yung characteristic of what a tough pickup truck is all about. Kaya okay po sa akin yung hydraulic power steering po niya. And then, sa likod po, wala po siyang tailgate assist, which is okay. For the 4x4 and 4x2 on the LSE variant, they're pretty much all the same. Ang pagkakaiba lang po talaga ay yung transmission ng 4x4 from the 4x2, which is yun nga, yung 4x4, meron po siyang rear diff lock. Some of the amazing features na meron ang Isuzu D-Max for 2024 for this facelift model. By LED projector lights po ang kanyang headlamps. Automatic leveling po yan. May DRLs po siya, LED din. Fog lamps are LED na may air curtain bezel design. Ayan po, kita naman may bed liner na po siya. Yung instrument cluster niya, yung design, ang ganda po. It is a 7-inch multi-information display. Kaya very high-tech from this look alone. Infotainment system is a 10.1-inch full touchscreen display na may wireless auto and Apple CarPlay. At meron din po siyang offline navigation system. Meron po siyang around view monitor system. You got a 6-speaker system. Leather po ang seats niya. Pati nga po yung manubela. May stitching. Ang ganda po. Dual zone auto climate control po ang AC. Meron po siyang wireless charging. At meron din po ang Isuzu na kanyang active safety features. Andiyan po ang ABS with ABD, with brake assist, electronic stability control with traction control system, hill start assist, hill descent control. For the LSE model, available po ang ADAS, which is the Advanced Driver Assist System ni Isuzu. At ayun nga po, within the ADAS system, andyan po yung Smart Duo Camera with rear radars, providing that better protection, mga prevention of possible dangerous incidents, pine-prevent po niyan, tumutulong po yan. So na-avoid po yung mga unnecessary accidents. Meron din po siyang rear cross traffic brake system for this LSE model, adaptive cruise control with stop and go function, may turn assist, pedal misapplication mitigation, alam na po natin yan, malaking bagay din po yan, blind spot monitoring system, rear cross traffic alert, multi-collision brake, lane departure warning, automatic high beam. Kaya Isuzu this time has really stepped up with everything they can offer on this pickup truck for 2024. At dito po sa Isuzu Taytay, ito po ang pricing ng all-new 2024 Isuzu D-Max for both LSA and LSE models 4x4 and 4x2 variants. Dito lang po sila located sa tapat ng SM Taytay. Madali lang po makita. Ang laki po ng showroom nila. Very accommodating po ang sales staff nila. Punta na po kayo dito. Mag-inquire na po kayo kung interesado po kayo at dapat interesado kayo sa bagong Isuzu D-Max kung pickup ang hanap nyo. Sa pagtatapos, for me the Isuzu D-Max is what a pickup truck is all about. It's all right here on this package that you're seeing. It is everything on what a pickup truck should be. Rock solid, easy to maintain, worry-free ownership kasi it is super reliable and very tough. Kaya kung pickup truck ang hanap mo, you seriously need to consider the all-new D-Max, ang pinaka-solid na pickup truck. Once again, this is the all-new 2024 Isuzu D-Max. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.